Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. I hope you followed me from my Dollar Tree DIY that I just left a few minutes ago, but I wanted to show you what I'm going to be using and making my DIY. I'm so thrilled. Can you see the smile on my face? I'm so thrilled to be back at my dining room table, give you plenty of room to check out my DIYs. And let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. It helps my channel. Also, those thumbs ups gives me a great knowledge of what you're looking for. All right, let's go ahead. As I showed you, this was the piece that I was missing. I was so worried. So I've got a glass. I also have the bowl, and I have the large plate and the small plate to match. So here we go. What are we going to be flipping over? Because you know that I'll be flipping things over. The bowl, the cup, these little guys are getting flipped. All right, I'm going to change the camera angle so you can see what we're doing. All right, so we've got our large plate, we've got our bowl, we've got our cup and our small plate. I'm going to set these two off to the side for just a moment. I've got my heat gun here, heating up. And then let's go ahead, we're going to flip this bowl over. Now you can use E6000, you could use hot glue if you'd like. I would only suggest using hot glue if you are not having children around. So that way it just sits there. If it's gonna be somewhere where it just sits, then you're fine. And I'm putting this right at the end so that it catches really well. We're gonna take this guy, flip it over, and put that right in the center. And just make sure it is as center as possible. And it dries pretty quickly. And now, look at that. We've got a nice little plate there, but we're not done. We're gonna take this guy. We are also gonna flip that guy upside down. Flip this guy upside down. Oh, I did not take this sticker off. You want your stickers off because you want to give it a place to sit, and you want to make sure your plates are nice and clean as well. If it doesn't come all the way off, you're okay. They have not been putting hard stickers. This one seems to be a little bit hard. So I know, I should have had this done ahead of time. Sorry about that. I'm so excited to show you guys. Plus, I haven't done a DIY like in a long time. And I told you on my first, I told you on my last Dollar Tree haul, the first part, not the part that I was missing. Oh, this just isn't working. All right, I'm gonna show you for details. Make sure you get your sticker off, but I wanna go ahead and not make you wait. I'm going to take the cup here, and I'm gonna do the same thing. And I still wanna make this as nice as possible, but I am gonna put it all around in the center as well. And then I'm gonna take this guy and again put him in the center, as centered as possible. Right? So now look at this, you've got another little tray. So sitting next to each other, they are adorable. One is higher than the other. Now you can take this and stick it right on top, and it is a beautiful tiered tray. You can leave it as is, or if you want, you can hot glue it down. I'm gonna leave mine as is because it sits so nicely. It's not gonna fall over. I don't have children that are gonna be playing with it, and it is just something to play with for the holiday fall season. So you can move that around and have it however you'd like when you leave it untouched. Like you could put it right here and make a lovely tray, and you can have it centered if you'd like, however you'd like, but I'm gonna take some pictures for you quick and easy, and I cannot wait to show you the finished product. So that's it, you guys. $4, you've got yourself a nice fall tiered piece, or you can use it to serve during the holidays as well. Give some different heights. I hope you like this. Give me a big thumbs up if you want to see more. And let me move this back. There we go. All right. Again, if you like that, make sure you hit that like button, and then let me know if you want to see more DIYs. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Today